Landela izindaba zokudunguzela kukaPhapha Francis amaziko ebandla Lamaroma Akhatholika emhlabeni abambe imkhuleko ekhulekela uPhapha. Le mkhuleko ibibanjwe nase Holy Family Basilica eNairobi, eKenya.
Now that the Pope is sick and all the news that we are getting about his health, but we thank God at least despite all that, he's in safe hands, he's in hospital, and above all, he's in safe hands of God. My prayer is that he gets well. With having been a shepherd for all the years, he has a lot for us to gain.
Umholi Webandla bewuphambili kule nkonzo ekhethekile yokwelulama kukaPhapha Francis oneminyaka engama-28.
The admiration for this old man that has gone to all over the world, old as he is, without fear of judgment and without fear for his health. So he has given it all for the gospel. So I'm admiring him also, and we pray for him in this particular moment in which his health is really weak and in danger.
Vetican ithi yize uPhapha Francis Usesesimweni Esibucayi kepha ulale kahle kakhulu izolo ebusuku futhi ke ukuzwa konke okwenzekayo njengoba eqhubeka nokuthola imishini emlekelela ukuba aphefumule.